You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word. I know a lot of people, probably a lot of you, have been pronouncing it wrong. Stay tuned if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English. Metallurgical, English, British English pronunciation, metallurgical. Metallurgical, stress on the le syllable. In American English, it's usually pronounced more as metallurgical, so with a flap T that sounds like a D. Metallurgical. Metallurgical, US pronunciation versus metallurgical. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.